The first video of the kidnapped Nigerian schoolgirls is released by their Boko Haram captors. I'm Tanya Rivero, and this is What's News. This video, obtained by the Wall Street Journal, is purported to be the one released by the Nigerian extremist group, showing dozens of the kidnapped schoolgirls. The video shows girls dressed in Muslim robes reciting Islamic prayers. Boko Haram's leader appears in another part of the video, claiming several girls have converted to Islam. He is calling for the release of imprisoned members of his militant Islamist sect in return for the students' freedom. Hillshire Brands is buying Pinnacle Foods for $4.3 billion, betting big that mixing Hillshire lunch meats and Sara Lee frozen cakes with Vlasic pickles and log cabin syrup will make an appetizing business. The deal will create a company with more than $6 billion in annual revenue and a broad array of food brands. Pinnacle estimates 85% of U.S. consumers buy at least one of its products. At Comedy Central, a successor to the Colbert Report has been named. The coveted 11:30 p.m. time slot will be filled by The Daily Show's senior correspondent Larry Wilmore, who will host his own show, The Minority Report with Larry Wilmore, when Stephen Colbert leaves in January. According to Comedy Central, the series will feature a panel of voices currently underrepresented in comedy and television. That's What's News right now. I'm Tanya Rivero. For the latest on these stories and all your news, check out WSJ Live or WSJ.com.